Okay, welcome once again, trader. And in this video, I want to show you how you can set alerts on your phone. That's trading alert on your phone. Okay, so you set the alert on your system, and it's going to come up on your phone when price get to that level, so that you don't be missing any trade. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to have MT5 on your phone, and then from MT5, you open your MT5, you go to your settings, just like what you have interface here. Okay, so just look at your setting, either you're using iPhone or Android phones, and then you go to chat messages. When you receive your messages, you go to chat your messages. You have something like this. So what you need to copy is my MetaQuotes ID, my MetaQuotes ID. So this MetaQuotes ID that you want to connect to your trading MetaTrader 5 on your system. Okay, so after copying it, then we go to your system straight away.
Okay, the next thing you do is to add on to your MetaTrader 5 on your system. And then when you get to your system, you go to tools, then you see options, right? From these options, you go to notification, and then you paste your MetaCode ID here, MetaCode ID. After doing that, you can also test it if it's working. Okay, so let's test it first if it's working. Let's test it if it's working, right? So I'm going to press test now, and then we should see if it's working. Okay, you can see that it just pop up on my phone right now. That means it's working. Okay, so then you okay this section, and then you save it. Then the next thing you want to do is that you want to look for price alert. Let's say I want to place a buy, or I want to place sell at 1.13610. Okay, so I go to alert below here. You can see this alert. Right click, create. Then from this create, you go to the value, which is 1.13610. 1.13610. Okay, after doing that, now you go to this action, this sound, you change to notification. Remember that what we used earlier was notification also, and then we can test it also. So let's try to test this also if it works. Okay, so um okay, so can you see again? It just worked again here. So immediately price get to that level, it's going to send notification to your phone straight away. It's going to send notification to your phone, and then you know either you want to place a trade or not. You can see the arrow there. Immediately price get to that price level. If I want to sell, instead of you using pending order, sometimes you can just use this to give yourself alert on your phone. Thank you.